So, hey my friends and my seniors, my name is Kunal. So today I'm gonna talking about some new thing and new interesting, new important thing to all of you. So guys, today's topic is how you tell story. We know English, but we did not know how to make sentence and how to make sentence and sentence how we improve, how we make like a story, how we make a story, how you write, how you say paragraph or story in English. So as we always know that English, speak English, writing also, but we can't speak English. Like this time you also can speak English, but you did not know how to make story. So guys, today I will say how to make story, and if you new in this channel, so subscribe also my channel. And first I will say my name is Kunal. I read in class 8. My school name is Mohammed Academy. So guys, today I will going to talking about some new thing, and the thing is how to make story. So let's start the topic. So guys, first you realize what you are thinking. First you thinking what you are say, what you are tell in story, like English. First you thinking what you are saying. Like I will help you how you think. Like remember this. Once upon a time, there was a village. Once upon a time, there was a village, and in this village, or thinking that first you thinking the whole thing. So guys, then you try to speak this English way. So first you thinking your mother tongue. So first you think that there was a village. In this village there was a village, and first you thinking one types. There was a village, and in this village has very crisis of water. In this village have very crisis of water, and then like in this village a very big pool. In this like thinking this one part, one like what is called one point. First you remember one point. Like there was a village. In this village, first you thinking the keyword of your story. Keyword, what is the keyword? Keyword mean the main word. Like village is the main word to your story. Like, and I will say the village. Once upon a time there was a village. In this village had very crisis of water, and in this village had a very big pool. And this in this pool have abundant fish. Abundant fish means lots of fish. Lots of fish. So guys, lots of fish. And then in this village has many people to came in this pool to take a bath, to take water, to drinking water, also to take a bath, and etc. Some self they drink in this water. So one day what happened? One day a greedy fisherman, we know what was a fisherman takes net and cast in, it is called a fisherman. And the fisherman here in this pole thing. And then what happened? The fisherman thinking that if I cast my net in this pool, so I got lots of fish, then I sell it and I will get more money, I will get lots of money. So he thinking this thing, because this fisherman was very greedy. Yes guys, very greedy. And this fisherman was very greedy. And then I will then in the next day, and the fisherman go to afternoon time, fisherman go to fish to fishing in this pool. And then this time there are no one in this time. And then the fisherman got very long time. And then fisherman cast his net into the water, into the pool. And then he did not have patience. Just he after a few minutes he just go and he just pulled his net. But his net was could not pull up. His net was could not pull up, because because his net stuck a stone. So guys, in this moment, some villagers came to take water extraction. Then the villager saw the villagers saw the fisherman fishing, and the fisherman take moving his net, and the water was muddy. Water was muddy, so muddy. And then like some villagers say to them, the fisherman, but the fishermen did not care what they are saying. And then some fishermen go to a village and shouted out whole villager, and they came. The whole village came with weapons like sheet, etc., etc. They take a weapon, and then he came. Then they came into the pool, and then they said to you, who are you, why are you come here, and why you can cast your net into the water. And then the fisherman pulled out his net, and the fisherman said, forgive me, I am sorry. He said I am sorry, and then etc. This story is in. So first you remember your story. First you remember your story. First you realize what is your story. First you thinking what is your story, what is your topic. So then automatically words, sentence are came in your mind when you just thinking what is your topic. So automatically the sentence, the word will came in your mind, and then you can speak fluently. So guys, we know that speaking is very hard, because we think that we did not have done this. When you think I do it, when you say I do it, so of course obviously you do it. Your mind was very, like your mind also say you are do it. So first you say what is the keyword. I will say what is the keyword. Keyword is a main point of your story, main point. So always thinking that first you write it into the notebook, you point what is your point, so then you can speak English fluently, then you can make your sentence, make your story easily. So if you like this video, subscribe also my channel, and if you're new in this channel, so also subscribe and like, comment, share. Thank you for watching.